Alright, that is market open. Good luck today, boys. First candle SPY is red. Tesla's green. AMD's coming down. Not. I feel like a broken record saying that every single day at open.
Yeah, kind of annoying. Not you. AMD going down.
I just entered into my first position in VIAC. I got 200 shares. This is just a free equity trade just to test the waters to see how this is as an organization, how it trades and whatnot.
Watch out for it.
Yeah, I wish I bought more. Look at that pump on. Look at. Oh. Yeah, damn, I wish I bought more.
Marvell is ripping.
Now Viacom's coming down. Damn.
Now it's coming up.
Hell yeah, and I grabbed some at the bottom.
Nice.
Wish I grabbed more.
It's at resistance now on 1 minute. There she goes. There she goes. Go through that 1 minute cloud like nada. Nothing. A lot of volatility in this right now, Alan.
Viacom.
Yes, sir.
This is fun. I sold half of my Viacom.
VIX is rising.
Shit, I'm sitting here talking, I'm on mute again.
Oh my god.
Anyhow, good morning. Good morning.
Morning,
Ron.
Steph. Morning, everybody.
Hey, you might want to take a look at that fund. PHUN.
For free equity trade or what?
Oh, that's your choice. I just see it going up today. Still looks. Swear, got him.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
I think if Palantir goes up.
You ask me how we breaks, you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're
I got a bunch of stocks that are barely out of them.
looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float from now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
VIX climbing still a little bit.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still
Palantir doesn't look like it wants to go below 23. I might pick up some right around here, actually.
let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Palantir's taking a nosedive,
Call us back.
which is weird. Kathy just bought like over a million shares yesterday.
Call us back.
Yeah, don't go by that anymore. She's lost the hype factor over the past 2 months on that.
Yeah, I don't see a lot of her calls being.
No. She needs another Tesla run or some other one of these ones that she calls out to run. That'd be the only way. But RK, you know, it's down what? 25% still from its high. So, or 20% from its high.
She needs some HaiKhuu training.
Yeah.
Hi, this message is
Ooh. Got the newest SPAC list too.
Yeah, I got that.
I'm gonna post it in the exclusive too. If Discord will let me.
I mean, it's getting to the point that if she picks anything, following day you just wait for it to go down and then pick it up.
Yeah. Next week we got a vote on Genius Sports. What that is.
I just bought some more VIAC for more day trade monies.
Nice.
I'm gonna take a risk on Palantir here. I think it'll hold.
I would
22.
wait.
I'm gonna take a risk on Palantir
Still
here.
going down in the 5 minute. I think it's going to go under 23.
What's Palantir's RSI on the one?
Hey David, yeah, this is TD.
50. 48.
50? 48? Pretty
Yeah.
stable on the one.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now.
Great.
Oh, there it is. Just went below.
22.99. Yep.
Good call, Steph.
Yeah, 5 minutes sucks. It's at 29. Watch for it to slip a bit more, yeah. What do you think? Retrace down to 2280-ish?
Hey, I just bought 500 back.
Jesus, this thing's fucking diving, man. What the hell?
Yeah, right?
That's why I exited, man. Like when it went up to whatever it went up to the other day, 24, 25, I was too much stress with Palantir. But I will buy in somewhere around here. I feel a lot more confident with it at this price point.
Well, it looks like
Honestly,
fell.
it's a good price point for it. But the problem is, and I think it's, who was it, Spec who said it? You know, if it starts to drop, it's going to drop hard. Like hard. Thank you. So, you know, that's my only leery thing on it right now. But still, my 2023 bull case is
20
still 100. So I'm
Just hit 22.85.
yeah.
Out
I
of
look at the 5
VIAC
minutes
for
a
that
minute
quick
ago.
day trade.
You're still in BAC, correct?
Yes, I just looked back at BAC. I just exited VIAC though.
Nice.
Man, we could call you Warren Buffett now, Alan.
Pourquoi?
DAC.
Huh.
He owns like 10% of that shit.
It looks like it might be pushing back up. Palantir.
Man, Tesla's volume is just for shit.
I took up 100
1.89 million.
right here.
Yes, sir. If you have 2 contracts, I'm pretty sure from what I remember, 2 covered calls at 90. So you got to think if the contract ends up expiring in the money, you're selling AMD at $90, and you just collected $136 per share on top of it. So it's not a losing trade. If it doesn't go above 90, you collect all of that premium. You get to get your shares, those 200 shares back. And you can do it all over again without ever having to sell the shares.
Free equity.
I'm talking about the covered calls.
Right.
EAC coming up a hair here, Alan. I'm watching 5 minute though. That 1 minute resistance.
X is taking a dive. 5 minutes.
Alright, so on the spy
I'd watch
put.
for CCL.
I just had one little spy put that. CCL, you said?
Yeah, I'd keep an eye on.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you guys this was a good time to get like a put when market open, but I didn't want to like pressure anybody into buying naked options. Good grief. It was just kind of obvious to me that would have been a good, quick put option trade. CCL 28.29. What's your play on this, Air?
I'm gonna try to resell the same put for May if it keeps dropping.
Gotcha. AMD, look at that spike on the 1 minute, guys.
Oh, beautiful.
I'm all for it.
Apple made another high.
Shares of this.
BAC not doing too hot right now.
Oh shit, I just bought a bunch of stuff. Palantir must be dropping again.
Yeah, Palantir is. It's still in the high 22s, but it's.
Yeah, I got
Check
till
the.
22.
Let me look at the
82.
volume on this. I gotta check the volume profile.
I think there was a lot of volume early this morning because Kathy bought it yesterday, and then it just dropped.
Let's see. They are in the lower range of their volume profile in the past 2 days. They're below point of control on the daily.
It usually
Stupid
drops when
question.
she
Someone
buys.
could tell me on
actually.
Palantir. Can someone tell me though on Palantir yesterday specifically? What did it do in the first 5 minutes? I'm driving, otherwise I'd look.
Didn't it
5
drop?
minutes of trading yesterday.
In the first 5 minutes, it
It
went
dropped,
up.
I thought.
I think it went
did
up.
drop. Yeah, but like
Okay, yeah, so I'm
Volcano
looking at it
Super
right
Green.
now. The first 5 minutes, it dropped, but then it ripped. And then it dropped back down. That's what it did yesterday.
Yeah.
like so like at what like those first 5 minutes, like what did it rip though? Like what does the volume look like?
Now the first 5 minutes, it dropped down a little bit.
Yeah, 1.4 mil volume.
Okay. Because I noticed something really interesting with the ArcX's high end or biggest holding Tremble or whatever the other when it first launched or whatever. Like there was a lot of buying like in the first 5 minutes especially, like big block buying. So I'm curious if that's how they're doing their trading right out of the gate for the day, right at open. If so, that's kind of odd for a big ETF.
John, are you in BAC?
No, sir. I wanted to take the trade, but I kind of just.
Yeah, it's not looking too hot. I thought that'd be hopefully a quick retracement. But nope. The dip just keeps dipping.
Yeah, the daily. I clicked over the daily and it kind of scared me off, to be honest.
Dude, with stupid low RSI, lower VWAP, bearish cloud, but still, I'm just scared that this is gonna stair step down all day, so I need to set a stop.
Let's see, it's below 1 hour cloud. Bring this up on volume profile.
I mean, if BAC goes black for the day, I'll have 10 free shares.
gaining volume here. It's below point of control intraday. Let me look at the daily point of control.
It's need
Yeah.
to. It has to break the 1 minute resistance right here.
This past couple, this year to date, they just flew. Just
Did you pick up any more Palantir stuff?
Yeah, a little bit. I got.
Where'd you get in it?
so
Hold on.
on their daily volume profile, they're way above their point of control in the top range. You're also trading just right below.
I got 50 at 22.82.
Oh, right on. Nice price.
You're at 62 RSI.
Is that on the daily?
Yes, sir. Actually, it might be 61 and a half.
Hey, Alan, are you seeing that VIAC is oversold on the daily even?
Yes, on the daily. I see it.
You think now might be a good time to pick it up?
I literally just picked it up because of your alert. Thank you.
I'm not at fault for any loss.
Nope, this is just a free equity trade. I'll be out in literally seconds.
The point of control intraday so far on the 5 minute, Alan, is about 39.45 to 39.47.
You talking back?
Yes, sir.
You said 47?
Yes, 47.
Nice, okay.
Fairly
Oh,
oversold
okay.
on 5 minute too. But
Looks like
I don't know if-
Palantir's scared of the cloud. Sorry, go ahead, John.
oh, you're fine. I was just trying to see what the trend was on BAC, if it started a bear trend or not. Looks like it's just been so bullish the past few months.
I set a stop on VAC. Got stopped. I'm gonna go back to watching BAC or VIAC, and I'm gonna go back to watching back. Thank you, Air, for that. You just add another free share to that pile. Nice. BAC is moving back up, back above break even.
Very nice. We might get a TK crossover on the 5 if it keeps going. It'll be fair. I don't think it'd be very weak. It could just be a weak TK crossover, but
You talking via BAC or VIAC?
BAC back. Spy had a nice little rally back up to VWAP. We got looks like 3 resistance levels though, Alan, including VWAP on the 5.
Oh, fun. Here, I'll post my position real quick, John.
It's
Come on, Palantir. Break that 23, bitch.
It's at, yeah, I'll let you watch it, but yeah, it's at view up.
Yep. This is fun back at VWAP. I could take 2 now. I have 500 to sell at 58. I don't know if it'll hit that. That's top resistance on the 1 minute TK lines. And if it does break above, I might want to just hold, you feel?
Yep.
Yeah. It is above point of control also on intraday.
I set a stop loss for 100 at 44.
I'll be back. Got some morning meetings.
Have fun.
Okie doke.
Always.
Got stopped out of 100. Still got
Let's go.
6.
Apple pushed another pushing high a day.
Oh, that's beautiful.
SPY at 50 SMA on the 1.
Ooh, I feel a TK crossover happening on back here in probably a couple minutes or so. Volume can pick up.
Looks like the wall at 350 got broken. I mean, not 350, 3950.
Oh yeah. Morning, Mike.
Good morning.
How you doing, bro?
Doing all right. Just wishing I got more Apple CSPs.
When did you open it?
No, I don't have any. I'm just saying I wish I did have them. I was waiting, but never got a decent red day.
Yeah. Like you said, VIX was super low yesterday.
Mason Matthews is typing.
What is VIX at? Let's see.
It just went over 17 this morning. Pre-market, it was back below 17, at 6, like in the high 16s.
I think 20 is just bad premiums and some spreads.
EAC, Alan?
Yep. Very excited. I'm at +3 right now.
Tell Mason to buy GME so it'll go down.
SPY kind of got rejected here by the 1 minute cloud resistance. See what it does at the 50 SMA on 1 minute. Set VWAP also.
Oh, Microsoft is running still too.
Is it?
Oh, hi. How you been?
Been good. How about you? Is that Corp?
Sometimes. Sometimes it's not.
What's
Sometimes it's Bunny, sometimes it's Corp.
Sometimes.
Bunny Corp. I thought we said it was. I thought we said Bunny was Alan.
Oh,
you're
I've caught Alan talking to her, so I know it's not
Alan, your status
That's what
is
recordings do.
your status is not live.
Thank you, John. Much love.
Are we streaming?
Yes. But it doesn't matter. That's nothing bad.
Hello, the world.
Morning, Corp.
Goodness.
What's up? So,
Not much. Just chilling, enjoying life, getting some free
hey, I
equity.
want a special tag.
What do you want it to be?
I was in the Wall Street Journal.
Okay.
I thought you were gonna say front page too.
That's hilarious. Because it reminds me of myself. I just like walk up to my girlfriend and be like, "Hey, guess what?" I wasn't front page. I wasn't front page though. That's awesome, Corp. It was a good read.
Yeah, it was alright. I mean, it was nothing we didn't know.
Cool. Now both you and John have featured in WSJ.
Nice. How I feel special. Holy shit.
You've always been special to us, Corp.
I need more tags.
You have so many. What would Day Trader Dave do? Hacker boy?
Day Trader Dave.
It was awesome.
Man, you got the OG gold tag, man.
Yeah, right?
That's how OG you are, my god.
I love it.
Oh god, I love Mason, dude.
HubSpot Tech Channel, smart idea, Paul. Maybe we can even get one of those things consulted in this channel.
I'll be right back.
Wait. What happened? Was it Mason?
Yeah. He's the whole time he's been like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna wait till couple goes up and I'm gonna sell it at break even. No, that's
Hey, Mike,
running.
silly
He's like,
question.
no, it's gonna keep going up.
How
What's
do
up
you
there?
view a negative delta? Like, I know below positive 0.3 is good, but how do you view a negative?
Positive? Wait, what do you mean?
So, like in the scanner, if you tinker with it for delta, like you can have a negative delta. You know, obviously it's like a bell curve. So, a negative delta, like if you're trying to sell a put, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, all puts have negative delta.
Right. So why is it on the scanner? It has like a negative and a positive.
And a positive. Do you have a screenshot of a positive one?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
I've never seen one. Yeah, no put should be positive, so.
Yeah, John, I could hold it for a little bit longer, but I just want to be out.
Oh, no worries. You got free equity out of it too, didn't you?
Yep, if I get another 12 cents out of back, I can get one more free share, or else I'm sitting at 2 and change.
Not bad at all.
I'm just taking it off. Cool, I just
Never
took it
mind,
off the
Mike. I think
table.
I figured it out.
What was there?
For some reason, it lists it as like in the screener, like you can go positive for some reason. So I think that's what threw me off.
Can go positive?
Yeah, so like on the min and max, you can set your max as positive for some
The
reason.
delta, you're saying?
Yeah.
I don't even put delta in the scanner. I kind of just sort it by delta personally.
I'm trying to fiddle with it because then I can look at the ROR at the same time as I'm sorting through it.
Yeah, what I do is I sort by delta, and I try to find the lowest delta with the highest ROR. I just go from lowest delta to highest, and then yeah, just look at the ROR, which I know is the best.
So do you even look at the -1 deltas?
I mean, usually those will have no premium. Wait, -1? Those are like in the money, probably.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay.
Yeah, no.
Should be fun. I just bought 1,000 Coca-Cola for a free equity
Someday I'll
trade.
be low enough to buy pot stock. It's going down to where it's supposed to be.
How about SNDL?
Fucks up a stock. Yeah.
What about it?
I said Kathy will fuck up a stock quick. Here's take the nose up.
Be right back.
Speaking of Kathy, what's Ark at?
Mason's still, so it's down still.
It's like it's not doing really bad compared to the NASDAQ.
If we get Mason to sell his Ark, everything that Ark owns will be going up.
Palantir got rejected hard by the VWAP. I'll collect more premium, I guess. Alright.
Palantir has been good one to sell premium just because it doesn't do anything.
I picked some up at 22.82 and it looks like I should have waited.
Picked up more Palantir?
Yeah. I prefer under 22, but
I guess, wow, I just typed CSP in instead of Palantir. Did you not want to open a CSP on them? Or spread?
well, you know what? I don't know how to do that. I got to sit down with you and go through that.
Yeah, for
A
sure.
CSP? I thought you've done CSPs.
No, I do covered calls.
Gotcha. It's,
I just find it easier to buy the stock, which is stupid. Because
I mean,
make
it's the
some
same
money.
thing. Hey,
Yeah.
covered call, it's if
You
you look
just
at the
make-
risk profile, it's literally the same.
And you make a little more money. It's down.
Hey, I'm trying to buy SPY calls right now.
I'm not tempted to buy some SQQ.
The 5-day point of control, we're right above almost. SPY. 406.50. So careful with those SPY calls.
Of course.
KO's moving nicely.
To KO.
Yep, Coke. I need it to move up 1 more cent. Yep, I am gonna be out. Oh, I did not click in time.
CCL is down 3%, 3.1.
Alan, you might want to keep an eye on X over today and tomorrow to see if it might be a decent entry. It's dropping pretty solid.
Morning, y'all.
Good morning.
Morning.
What do you think of a spread or CSP on CCL here?
Mm,
The highest I'd go is 25 on strike.
looks okay.
I know Arrow was waiting for an entry, a possible entry.
Not a huge fan of it.
It just went back above its point of control intraday 5. On the 5-day, it's still below point of control. You look at them on the daily, you know, like 5-year, they're still well below their pre-COVID levels. But on the daily 1 year, it's terrifying
They are,
because
actually.
it's terrifying to look at the daily volume profile, the default 1 year, because of the COVID lows.
Yeah.
Wow, they just
Even,
went
like,
right.
Pre-COVID, it wasn't. Like pre-COVID, it was downtrending for a while.
Yeah, they had, I think, some negative news and stuff like that about their ships and stuff, you know, like sinking and all that, capsizing. They would, like, you know, I think they were the cruise line that would have those, like, occasional, not occasional, but they had those crashes where they, like, capsized or whatever or something. And I don't know if that was Royal Caribbean or whatever, Carnival though. But I know there was some cruise ships that were taking heat because of something like that.
I mean, I think there's better plays, but if it's like a long-term investment and you like him, then yeah.
There's not much volatility in them.
Yeah, it's been kind of news-driven. Damn, look at McDonald's.
Let me check MCD out. Oh.
John, so you didn't grab or you didn't hold AT&T, right?
Nothing that I care about.
Cool, yeah, because I'm looking at it right now. And if you held, you'd still lose 20 cents a share from where it's at after the dividend.
Yeah, Sai's holding it, I think. I don't know if he's in here. No, he's not in here today. He was. I remember he's told us that he was holding it at like 30.90 past the dividend record date. So I don't know how many he was holding off the top of my head. I think it was 100. Now that I'm thinking more about it. It might be alright for him, you know, I mean, if he's willing to swing like a few weeks out, a couple weeks out, it might be alright. Thing about that kind of stuff though is like kind of cyclical, like after a dividend payout it goes down and then you have to wait for it to come back up. Usually, like you say, the difference in the price drop will not break even or be profitable for the dividend payout.
Yep. Because mathematically and just like, you know, just markets, where would that money come from, you know? That wouldn't make sense. If it did, everyone would be investing in dividends. Damn, that's just money coming out of thin air.
Yeah, I've heard of strategies like getting in before dividend payout dates or X dates and then still collecting the dividend after and selling the shares, that kind of stuff, but I don't do
There's
it.
actually, you can do a collar option strategy, and pretty sure there's some arbitrage ways you can play dividends like that.
Hey, Tesla just popped.
Personally. Essentially, you'd buy like 100 shares, sell a call, and then buy a put.
Dang, Tesla's still pushing. To do. AMD VWAP here on the 1 minute. How many McDonald's do you have? Like,
how many? It's like you said, McDonald's. This is my long account. I only got many. I have like 4. 1, 2, 3, 3, and a little fractional share. A long-term account is like really diverse. I don't have like a lot of anything. I have a lot of things.
pay a decent dividend too.
Oh yeah, the dividend's nice. I like dividend growth. So most of my stocks will.
Yeah, I've been trying to add VYM, but
VYM is good. It's not dividend growth, but it's a good dividend.
True. How often do they reallocate those ETFs?
I think it would depend on the fund. I'm pretty sure they only update like the SP500 like twice a year though. They basically reallocate when the SPX reallocates. Just copy it.
That makes sense.
Oh, it looked away and SPY dropped again? Fun.
Yeah.
God, dude, I need some red to get in some freaking positions. Well, kind of like in Disney. I said it would go down to 185, and then I think it would be a better play.
Yeah, I'm glad I held
Powell is
off.
talking at 9, Mike.
What was that?
Powell talks today at 9, I think.
Oh, that fucking... Oh, dude. Someone was saying something. I saw some article about... Hold on. Were they gonna discuss something like serious? Janet Yellen says this week's IMF and World Bank meetings will be a Bretton Woods moment for the global economy. And One of my buddies was like, I'm pretty sure this quote is referring to the removal of the gold standard that one time. So I wonder if this has to do with crypto.
It possibly could.
What if they link crypto to the dollar? No,
I would not be surprised.
I don't see her doing it though.
What's that?
I see in the future when all of the bitcoins get mined up, and it's like we're talking hundreds, if not thousands, of years in the future when, you know, crypto is just another standard. Them linking it then. But I'm assuming at that point they would link it to their own cryptocurrency.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're gonna make their own. They're not gonna use like Bitcoin. There's
Yeah.
no way.
They would have like the US dollar coin or something.
That would just forfeit all their control. There's no way they're gonna do that.
Yeah, I feel like what's going to happen is a place like Israel is going to start with that currency trend, and then it starts to go over to Europe and then Asia, and then from Asia, then it would come to the US.
Yeah.
Like,
Starting the other third world countries or whatever.
yeah, I mean, Israel's not really that third world.
Well, not third world, but just
Yeah.
different countries. Not the U.S.
Exactly, you know, a smaller country that's not the US that can handle a system like that, that then influences the surrounding territories, which then impacts, you know, surrounding countries, and then others have to adapt.
Yep.
Looking at this Disney.
Yeah, I was
volume.
actually just about to pull up Disney right now.
Looking at the volume profile, and I see why you said 185 because of the 10 day.
10 day, 30 minute. Let's see.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, that's the point of control.
Everything
well,
else, everything else longer scares me though.
But go to third day, 30 minutes. The lowest it has volume is 180. It can overreact and go to like 183.
I mean, the 1 hour looks great, actually.
If you check the daily, you can see like we're gonna stay here at 187, 185, and if we dip, we're gonna go to what, 172, and then volume really dies at like 167.
Hey, Tesla's popping again.
Which is why I like the 165 put.
That's like also like very bearish in my opinion because you can see right there at the bottom of the cloud on the daily, its volume is dying off
Yeah,
there.
that's a great support line. That is a great support line.
Probably wouldn't be bad. I was thinking about a 160. Let me go back to. I think it was 165, 140.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter that much which second put you buy. You just gotta find a cheap one, and whatever works for your buying power, really. You and May.
That keeps me above $1.26.
I see what you're saying. This is a 145. About 15 for the 20 wide. 55, 78 cents.
You guys looking at May?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Question is, will it slip into that cloud?
I sold one of my spy calls.
Nice. Only thing is I don't have as much conviction with Disney. And yeah, I'm gonna wait till that Fed talk.
True. Gosh, it's been riding this cloud support for so long.
Disney? Disney?
On the daily?
Yeah, that 50 SMA.
Yeah.
Right back down to it.
They have earnings coming up next
Do
month.
they?
Next
Actually,
month.
Probably not very good. Their parks aren't going to open for not long before.
Yeah, but Disney has a lot of other things to bump it up.
Yeah, they have their subscription service is doing amazing.
I'm tempted to sell the 170 foot.
Yeah, the only thing with their parks is that, I mean, that's a big part of Disney. Like, yeah, they have a lot of other things, but like, holy shit, Vivix is popping.
Maybe either a day trade or a swing. Or at least a good pickup.
What, Disney?
Spy.
Oh, Spy. Be right back.
Lockheed's up to 380, Throcky. 380.80.
Damn, how deep are you on it?
Oh, not much at all.
Your average, like 320?
My average is 334.17.
Nice.
I wonder what the premium is like on Lockheed. Ooh.
Alan, you need to tell me when you get in the Marvell.
Okay. Hey, Marvell's in my new free equity list, bro.
Nice.
But yeah, it's not moving right now. It's just chilling. I'm cool taking this down another couple cents. But we'll see what happens. I'll probably get stopped out under 50. Yeah, I set a hard stop. What's up?
Is it really going under 50 right now?
Marvell's right 50-18 right now.
Fucker, I should have sold my fucking...
50-12.
I was up 1,000 in my calls today.
Damn.
Gosh, I kind of want to open a spread on Lockheed. Kind of just like given that it.
I'm still up 300 on my calls, but could have sold.
I got a stop set, and I'm trying to go a little bit more aggressive, and I have another buy order, but I don't think it's going to get filled for Marvell at 50-10.
I'll definitely wait for a red day on Lockheed if I want to open up one of these.
If I wasn't in Marvell right now, I'd definitely be in Lockheed.
Got a high of day at 381.44. And a TK crossover on the 5 minutes. a fairly strong TK crossover that played out. Looks like it. I keep going. It's a Fred question. Tesla.
I feel like I'm in a dog fight. Bulls and all I own. Noodles.
Wait, what? What's going on?
I said I feel like I'm in a dog fight against pit bulls and all I own are noodles.
Well, it's probably not that inaccurate, unfortunately. I have a sell order on Palantir at 22.98.
You're just doing a quick flip.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna let go of 300 shares and then I'm gonna open covered calls on the other 200.
Alan, they had their ex-div date today. It looks like that's why for Marvel.
Is that what that is? Damn, okay. I saw that, wait, I knew that. So, that's fine though. It's a 6-cent div, it went up this morning.
Yeah, I wouldn't be too worried about it. I mean, they're a very solid company too.
She's a very solid company.
Uh-huh.
Good note, I'm up 26 cents on my Doge.
Nice.
I haven't gotten into anything today, oddly.
Really?
I kind of want that Disney. That ties up a lot of capital, so I might have to do a spread.
Been riding that daily cloud and, like Mike said, that 50 SMA for a while.
I see nothing but good things coming up for Disney, though.
I mean, long term, I mean, there's. You take taking assignment on something like Disney. Like,
Dude, if I take assignment on Disney at 165, that's still pretty good.
yeah, for
Question
sure.
of is when to sell it.
I don't know, I see dividends on their daily. It's weird.
Yeah, but it's still suspended, I thought.
Oh, is it? Thought it was back.
Unless they reinstated it and I didn't know, I'm pretty sure it's still suspended.
Yeah. I wonder,
Link did a good run up this morning. Opened at 41.40, 40.36.
I wonder if. Sorry. Is it blank?
Yep.
Blink BLNK.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Charging.
There's so many charging companies.
What increase? They get increase what?
Maybe they have hopes for the Fed talk. Ooh, I gotta sneeze.
Bless you.
Gazoon.
Dang it. I stopped myself and it didn't happen.
That's a rip.
Yeah, I know, that sucks.
I take it back.
Dude, the one thing that I found that's kind of funny is if you say bless you before somebody sneezes, they typically lose the sneeze.
It's funny.
So it's like, try it out next time you see somebody about to sneeze. Just say bless you real quick and they'll be just like, what the fuck? And then not sneeze.
Well, that's the time of year to try it out. Oh, gosh.
It's just like genuine fun, you know? It's just stupid, but, you know, the small things.
Yeah, my allergies are gonna only get worse. Well, no, they won't, actually. I'll get used to it. But this area has, like, some of the worst pollen in the country.
I do not envy
I
you.
think California will rival that. We got bad air quality on top of that. Beat that. I'm just messing with you, John.
I won't beat that, but I also probably would rather be in Cali a lot of days.
Come out here. Mike needs a room.
After he graduates, I'll just panhandle outside his door.
Mike's pretty much graduated.
Wait, outside my door? Bro, where's your door?
Every time Mike comes out, I'll just be like, change for the poor.
You might have to duck to get in and out of the
Apple CSPs, I'll take them. Does anyone drink tea in here?
Oh yeah.
Drink some.
Any
I'm
recommendations?
Asian, of course
I'm on
I
my
do.
last tea bag. I need to get some more tea.
What kind of tea are you looking for?
I'm open. Anything with caffeine in it.
I don't know if jasmine tea has caffeine, but I like jasmine.
It depends on like what kind of tea you like, Mike. Do you like the fruity? Do you like the sweet? Like what kind of tea do you like, man?
So like, I like honestly all of them. Like I've had this sweet like tangerine tea before, which is good. Right now I'm just literally just drinking Lipton, like the original Lipton tea bags. Like I'm no problem with the original tea taste. I really like the yerba mate.
There's this
You
tea
put
called
milk in your
coffee.
tea?
No, usually just honey.
So I would get like black tea,
Black
or
tea's
like
good.
Earl Grey. Earl Grey
Yeah.
is good. If you want something for sleep, chamomile tea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, usually not before, but it's usually in the morning that I'll drink it. So
PG Tips is another good tea.
which one?
Or Tetley, PG Tips, or Tetley tea.
How do you spell that?
Tetley.
Okay. Is that the brand?
Yeah.
Okay. Tetley. Is it on Amazon?
I'm sure it is.
Tetley tea. Oh yeah.
Mike.
Black tea.
They have a bunch of different ones.
Orange Pico.
I've had that before.
The Tetley.
The orange pico. I've had Tetley, yeah.
My wife drinks a lot of PG Tips, so she likes that one.
Let me send you guys this one. That is actually
Yeah, Liquid Achilles said Celestial teas are good too, the sleepy time, and then they have like there's a tension tamer one if you feel like you have a bit of anxiety, apparently it's helpful.
Is that the orange ones?
They have like multiple different color ones.
I think it has like a bear on it, doesn't it?
I think I know which one you guys are talking about. Oh wait,
And then if you want to get big into Asian teas, I think it's what, Dragonwell tea? That's like the coveted, one of the most coveted ones for Chinese.
Yeah,
It's like expensive.
No. I buy cheap tea because, well, not because it's cheap, but that's one of the benefits of it.
You know,
This is the one I used to
Mike,
get. I posted.
If I were
it.
you, I would go all out and just go coffee.
Dude, coffee fucks my stomach up though. That's the reason why.
It'll get stronger over time.
Alright, cool.
But then you'll have like a dependency on caffeine because there's like 95 milligrams in each cup of coffee.
Yeah,
There's
well,
nothing wrong with that.
pretty much
John,
what you do.
As I sip my coffee now.
I need to go
Same.
because I am.
I could drink a pot of coffee.
Dude,
till I
you've
just
been
sleep.
traveling a lot lately, haven't you?
I mean, I traveled this past weekend, but work, I've been going in at 6 p.m. I've left at 11, midnight, 1 a.m., and 11, or 11 p.m., and 11. Jesus, hang on. So this week at work, I've left at 11, midnight, 1 p.m. so far. And tonight I can only leave about 1 or 2.
Damn, dude.
Are those like standard shift like hours, like 8 hours?
No, not in the least bit.
Are they longer?
It's because I'm in a class, and we're only supposed to be working like in total 20 hours on this capstone project that we're doing. But it's proving to take longer than that.
Dang. Some wild hours that messes up your sleep cycle.
Sleep
Hey,
cycle?
Mike.
What the hell is that?
It's not a sleep
Yeah.
cycle, it's the lack of sleep at this point.
Yeah, true.
I think I'll sell that after an Apple Disney put around when Powell speaks to see if. Well, I'm gonna see if volatility goes up first.
He goes,
Yeah.
Disney is a great company, and then it just flies up to 200. We're just sitting here like,
that's too much. That's too
Well, he
much of a
says-
conflict of interest. He's gonna say,
Oh,
"I love the
Bitcoin.
mouse." Mouse is very nice.
I
What
heard
was the
they-
raffle?
Charizard.
It was no, it was for a case of everything, of the $1,000 boxes.
Oh.
Guy ended up making $7,200 on a case of 6 Pokemon boxes.
Jeez.
But each of those boxes are going for like $900 on eBay.
So he opened it and was able to like actually sell this stuff?
I got it out of
No, he raffled the whole unopened boxes.
Oh, I got you. I got you. Nice.
I should be getting my Zard today, not for delivery.
IPOE and Coursera trying to move.
Take two is above my average.
My kid was just talking about something. Maybe we'll be nice, maybe we'll be peaceful, maybe we'll be calm. I'm sitting here like, you don't know. I'm like, peaceful? What's that?
Yeah, I have to wake up and I sit down, I have to clear my head so I don't get too emotional when I'm trading. It's harder on some days, sure. Palantir at 5-minute resistance on the PK lines. Fusion line. Confirmation line. Super close to a TK crossover on ES on the 5. Broke below VWAP. Hasn't closed on the 1 minute yet.
Ooh, Marvell's selling off.
Is that the stock you have 50K in right now?
I have 75K in right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so what happened? I had a buy order set for 50.10, and then I had a set sell order at 49.98, and within the same candle, the buy and sell both triggered.
Wow, that's not cool at all.
Yeah, so what I did is I just rebought back in, so I lost, what, $4 reacquiring those shares and getting stopped out.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, look at how fucked that candle is. I'm literally talking to some institutional guys right now, and then I just get notification, Marvell, I get filled, Marvell, I sell. I'm like, wait, the fuck? Lightning Marvell for just lightning it.
VIX rising, SPY coming down a bit.
Time, Vladimir. He has never played this shit.
Low VWAP, ES's. SPX. Broke 1 minute support. See if it can hold any of this. TK cross under on the 1 minute for SPX. Wow. Accidentally bought 2 SPX contracts. I sold them just now though for quick profit.
Nice. Let's go.
I meant to buy one, but you know, it's a little bit shocking when you look at +2 on your monitor.
Even more shocking when you do something like that and make a profit.
Yeah, I definitely put my limit. I mean, that's one thing about SPX. You can get in and out. Decent profit. Small changes in the S&P. Of course, you are putting up $5,000 on one contract. Still looking at this TK cross under on the 1 minute. On the ES, there's it's close to a TK crossover on the 5.
Corsair just went green. Got resistance though.
Think VIX will come down here?
I don't think it'll come down too hard.
I was looking at the 1 minute. So I didn't realize. Do you use, is there volume on VIX? Can you use?
Nah, for volume you gotta use /VX.
Gotcha. Wow. Yeah, I would probably would assume that would go up just from.
It's pretty oversold.
$40.82. TS. Did I say TSM? No, I don't think I did, Sai. Danny mentioned it this morning. Gap on open and pre-market. Do you have a question about it? Oh, how's your tea? Are you holding it still? Oh, nice. Jeez, 50 shares. I got my average on TSM down to 111, I think. 1124. Swing trades. Nice, jeez. Might have more TSM than Fred. I have no idea how much he has actually. Ooh, Palantir, nice little spike on the 5.
Oh yeah. Start going up. Nice second candle on the 5 too.
Yep. Opened up above the 50 SMA. Okay, crossover on the 1 back earlier this morning.
Did you guys end up selling DIS?
I didn't. I'm kind of seeing if they'll come down more. Just
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
they had a TK cross under on the daily, by the way.
Don't say that.
Well, not today. It was 324. They did have one yesterday on the 1 hour.
Gotcha.
Alright, YouTube gang, I'm going to end the stream here. I gotta get some more work done. Not many trades this morning, got some fun stuff, but yeah, hope you guys all have a great day.